Hey Geek, so at the time of this video, the Framework Pro laptop has just been released. And this is something that I honestly did not expect or even saw coming. But I think this is going to be a very worthwhile addition to the entire Framework ecosystem because I myself do have a Framework laptop. I have the Framework 13. I've had this for a few years now. And Framework as a company is something that I don't think ever was possible because of the fact that this whole space of laptops, it's dominated by these much larger companies like Apple, Dell, Microsoft, HP, and so many other companies that for years have pretty much controlled the entire laptop industry. And I do have a Windows laptop, which everybody is familiar with. And let me tell you, as somebody who's owned the Framework laptop for years now and has also been running Linux for more than 10 years, probably 15 years now, going to Framework laptop and the whole Framework ecosystem over time is just such a different experience than having a Windows laptop and even versus having an Apple laptop. And even more so now where things are just so much more expensive. And at the same time, your operating system, what the software that's running everything, it feels like more and more you don't own your computer, especially if I'm using Microsoft Windows where I'm constantly being spied on. There's tons of marketing and I never really feel like this is my computer. And then from a hardware point of view, this is where Framework really shines. The whole reason why I got this is it's modular. I could fix this myself. I could repair it myself. And now, with the Framework Pro laptop, I could actually upgrade my existing laptop. And for anybody who's had their Framework laptop, which is like 5 years now at the time of this video, they could actually upgrade to the Pro model. So it's not just upgrading your original Framework 13 laptop, but it's also the ability to get the latest and greatest. And this is why Framework and everything that they're doing is such an amazing thing that I never thought would happen. That is the reason why I invested in a Framework 13-inch laptop, because for me, this is the most expensive laptop that I've ever purchased. But now, over time, you're seeing why this matters, why your investment isn't just for now, but it's in the future. And more importantly, if more and more people go into the Framework ecosystem and then get used to this whole modular environment, then more and more people are actually going to be spending money here. So then Framework can invest in more things like this, which gives us as the consumer true ownership of our computers and also the software on it. Because for me, I think Framework is the best when it comes to having a Linux laptop. Even though for most people like myself in the past, we just took a Windows laptop and put Linux on it. This is much better. So not only from a hardware point of view, but also software point of view, you're getting true ownership, which I feel is rare, as crazy as that sounds. And at the same time, this is something where I think people are really gonna feel happy that they've actually invested in it. They feel like they own it. They feel like it's their own. And more importantly, I think it just builds a community of people who really can go back to what it used to be about computing, where you love doing this stuff, you love building it, you love owning it, and you love sharing your experiences with others. And so those are my thoughts on the Framework Pro, but more than anything, just this whole Framework ecosystem and true ownership. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my videos on my Framework laptop, I'll leave those in the description area below as well.